I bought a yours and I think they all yellow like a bird. Inside me like 2 times 2, my money bitch all like that. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
Hey guys, so it's the next day. That's what you saw. That was me cleaning my little sister's side, and I'm gonna clean my side. I have a whole closet to go through. Oh my god.
Everything disgusting, conversation is so boring. Heard about what? I hate her, I don't agree. I did it first, I give a fuck, I just want fuck. Peace, sleep, love, happy. Can you make me happy? Can you keep me happy? Can you distract me from all the disaster? Can you touch on me and not call me after? Can you hate on me and mask it with laughter? Can you leave me to the yard with the password? I need humanity. You're like humanity. Only humanity. Craving humanity. You're like humanity. I need humanity. I need everybody wanna be beautiful. Scared of the unusual. Scared of giving mutual respect. All that you hate, you reflect. All that God like you forget. How to love somebody. I hate everybody. I hate everyone. Let's talk about it.
Hey guys, so right now we're going shopping. Right now we're at Ross. We just left. We're at Ross. We just left Burlington. We ended up getting a few things for baby, and then these candies. I usually get like the little animal one, but I think these are better.
Look like the future, I won't look back and see it. I don't bow it down. I'm wide open, I'm on win. I'm on all the hope.
It's so hot outside. It's not even a joke. Hey guys, so it's the next day. I know we got some like low lighting right now, but I don't know what to call it. I didn't buy anything yesterday other than some pairs of socks for my boyfriend. And right now my doggy, he's acting like a little weird. He's acting like a little extra clingy. Like he was scratching my door before I went to sleep. And you know, I had my door closed. And I was like, you know, I told him, because my dog speaks Spanish, I told him like, you know, I'm going to sleep. I'm going to sleep. Like, go over there, go play over there. And so, you know, I wake up and he's still scratching my door. So then, you know, I take him outside because I think, oh, he got to poop. No, he just stayed next to me the whole entire time, and I was waiting there for a fat minute. I even told him that he could like go, and I even got him food. He didn't want to eat until I gave food to my cat, because my doggy, he's like a little jealous doggy. So whenever I have to deal with any other animals, he'll come in between us. You know what I mean? So I was just my sister's cat giving him food, and then he came in between, like in the middle of us, and sat there. And then that's when I gave him like some little pieces of ham, and he ate them. But I went back into my room, and you know, I put his little bed in there, and all he did was like walking back and forth and walking back and forth and walking back and forth. And now he's just like I have like some clothes on a little organizer thing, and he's like sitting on top of it. I'm a little confused what's the matter with him, but I'm gonna go spend time with him. Tonight I'm just really gonna like edit and stuff to post, because I have kind of been lacking. But it's okay. I'm my nails out because I want to take them off and put some press on. Look at this mess. Hey guys, so right now I'm gonna go take a shower, and then I'm gonna go get a lash lift. I'm so excited because if y'all don't know, my eyelashes go down. And I never had like my lashes up before, and not even like a curler can curl them up. I even tried like to curl it with heat. I couldn't curl them up, so you know, we just gonna try this out. It just came from work, so that's why I look a little bummy. But I had this in a bun. Alright guys, so I'm back. I got a lash lift. I feel like a little mom. Oh my god. What? But anyways, they're still kind of wet. I can't want them for 24 hours, and then on top of that, I can't put mascara on for 48 hours. So, alright, so now I'm gonna, oh my god, I'm feeling myself so bad. Alright, so I'm gonna blow dry my hair, do a little hairstyle. Hope you guys can figure it out along the way. But this is the hair I'm dealing with. I had it in like the little twist all day. So now it's like kind of dry. And I'm gonna blow dry it. And cut my hands, because I need to cut my hands so bad.
And I'm gonna be after. Can you hit on me?
I'm gonna do the front part of my hair, and now we're gonna do the back. Hey guys, it's the next morning. Did my hair. I got some bags, because I only had like 4 hours of sleep, because I gotta go to work. I just was that red. Anyways, right now I'm gonna do a little makeup, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go on to work. That looks a little bold, but we gonna fix it. Jesus.
Can you leave me to the awkward password? I need your melody. You're like humanity. Don't leave me vanity. Craving humanity.
On the eyebrows. I hate how this corner looks, but we'll try to flip it.